just going to show a quick technique of the log roll. A lot of our patients with lower back pain tend to have issues from a supine position or laying down position and then getting up to a seated position. So going down, I'm going to just put my elbow down and bring feet up. That way my spine, I don't flex at my spine at all. Lay down here and then roll back, and then it's the same as you get up. You're going to roll onto your side. You're going to push with right hand on the mat, left arm, I'm going to use my elbow to push off, legs come off, and I just come straight up here. That will really decrease the amount of pain that you'll feel at your lower back as you're getting from a laying down position to seated.